everyone, this is Purvi here, and recently we went to Sandhan Valley for trekking. To reach here, we boarded a local train from CSTM to Kasara station. After reaching Kasara station, हमारे लिए एक private car का arrangement था. We sat into it and reached our base village, that is Samrad Village. So Sandhan Valley is surrounded by other many beautiful mountains which are also a trekker's dream. After a long guideline session, finally the trek started. "15 minutes चलने के बाद the valley opened. Sandhan Valley में there are just too many adventure spots. छोटे छोटे गुफाओं में जाने से small water patches to big water patches, you ask for it and it is there.
हाँ इथून बॅग काढून तिकडे टाक. चुवेचा व्हिडिओ यार खरं मला अरे Purvi, how are you feeling?
I'm sorry.
This water patch was actually 3 to 4 feet deep, and there were many big rocks inside the water which were not clearly visible. इसलिए पैर कहाँ रखना है ये समझना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा था. During rainy season, it is impossible to trek Sandhan Valley because यहाँ का जो पानी है वो पूरी तरह से भर जाता है. You also need to have great upper body strength because आपके पूरे बॉडी का वेट आपको अपने हाथों पे कैरी करके ये ट्रैक ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट करना पड़ता है.
इथल्यावर पाहिजे
वाटर स्पॉट से 3.5 आवर्स चलने के बाद फाइनली हमारा रैपलिंग स्पॉट हमें नजर आया. This guy just made it look so easy to do, and then I went in. This was my first time of rappelling. I had never done it before. I knew कि इस ट्रैक पे रैपलिंग स्पॉट है, तो यहाँ आने से पहले मैंने बहुत सारे रैपलिंग के YouTube वीडियोस देखे थे which were basically useless because at the end of the day I just did what I was supposed to do.
पाय खाली घे. It's okay. काय नाही, उभी राहा. परत तीच पोझिशन घे. परत हात सोड.
I think I would have had serious head injury अगर मैंने हेलमेट नहीं पहना होता. Thank God I wore the helmet. इसीलिए always wear helmet whenever needed if you don't want your head to crack open like a watermelon. Though I was not at all scared, मैंने बाकी सबको डरा दिया था. Even my trek leader was freaking out on the top. Finally, I reached the bottom and I was very happy. After rappelling was done, we kept walking away and there were many adventure spots that came across our way. This was our last adventure spot, which was kind of similar to rappelling, but not rappelling.
Yes, perfect, good.
Come on.
रोपला पकडता नाहीये. पाय खाली सोड. रोपला पकडता नाही हा. बॉडीला पुश कर. हा. रोपला पकडता नाही हा. पाय लागणार नाही खाली आता. हळू पाय.
Sandhan Valley should be on every trekker's bucket list because it is the second largest valley in Asia and also because it is filled with lots and lots of adventure. I took so many sweet and scary moments back home. If you like this vlog, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.